welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just so excited to be sharing with you guys my very first collaboration with someone else here on YouTube. The name of her channel is Really Jess. If you have not already done so, I'm going to encourage you to go on over her channel and check her out because she's pretty awesome. If you like videos on motherhood, lifestyle, and a whole bunch of cleaning, I'm sure that you will enjoy her channel just as much as the one here. In today's video, we both are going to be sharing with you guys 4 different areas in our homes that have been very neglected when it comes to cleanliness. And I know that we all have those areas where we just kind of walk past them, we close our eyes, we look the other direction, and we say, one day I will clean that area. And you know what? We're putting our foot down. Today is the day that we are going to tackle 4 of those areas in our homes, even though there may be more. We had to choose 4. We want to encourage you guys to go ahead and grab your broom, your dustpan, cleaner of your choice, and tackle 4 areas in your home as well, as it is time to get some areas clean. So without further ado, let's tackle the neglected areas.
Alright, so I am going to get started right here on the back door. This leads off into our backyard. There's a patio area there, but we do have red mud, red Georgia clay in our backyard, and that gets tracked in and around the door really bad. I've been really neglecting this area, so I wanted to go ahead and get the windows clean. My son is like the perfect height to put his fingers all over it, put his mouth on it. We have dogs, as you can see, so they like to jump up on it as well. So I wanted to clean the inside and the outside along with the baseboard along the bottom, just to go ahead and get this neglected area tidy. Now that the windows are clean, I want to go ahead and get any excess trash away from the bottom, so that way when I use these quick erasers to clean the baseboard, I won't have excess trash. What I found with these, I got them at Dollar Tree, and it's super handy just to cut them in half and then just use a little piece as you go. They do get pretty dirty, and you got to make sure that you really squeeze out the water. If not, like you can see here, it kind of makes the dirt turn into like mud, and so then I just had to use a paper towel and just kind of go behind it and wipe it. But you are going to be absolutely amazed at how clean those things get this baseboard. And honestly, I don't even think this is called a baseboard. I guess this is like the threshold or something, but you know what I'm saying.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights.
Alright, Alright, now that this area is good and tidy, it is time to move inside. We are going to be working on the couch now. I'm just going to remove all the couch cushions and vacuum underneath. We eat in here sometimes. My son has a sandbox, and as you will be able to see, sand gets under these. So it was time to give everything a good vacuum.
Walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like.
Yay, a clean couch in areas where you can't even see, but I know that it's clean under there. So now it's time to move on to my next task, and that is going to be to tackle my ceiling fan downstairs in the living room and also in the master bedroom. We have not done this to these fans, since we moved here. We've only been here for, I guess, 3 or 4 months, but still, it was really well past time to go ahead and get these cleaned. I have a tip for you guys, and that is just to take an old sheet, or not an old sheet, just whatever sheet you're okay with getting some dust on it, put it underneath the fan, so that way as the dust falls, it will catch it, the majority of it. I guess you could not do this and then you would just have to vacuum there, but this really saved a lot of trouble for me. And then once I was done with this fan, I just took the sheet outside and I shook it out so that the dust was off. That way when I went upstairs to put it on the bed, I wasn't transferring downstairs dust upstairs onto where we sleep. Alright, so we are now moving on to our very last neglected task, and that is to deep clean my son's high chair. It doesn't look very dirty if you're pretty far away, but as you can see up close, it does have some food. It has it on top, on the bottom of the tray, and even the back of the high chair had food on it. I guess, careless. I don't even want to say careless, but I'm pretty much just one of those moms that kind of wipe it down with a baby wipe or maybe some cleaner or something, just super easy, just on the tray. I hardly ever really pull it apart and really clean it like I should. But anyway, today I am working on that, so I'm just going to use my Method all-purpose cleaner and give everything a really good wipe down.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head, don't feel much back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you are new, if you are not, then I just want to say welcome back and thank you again for watching one of my videos. Don't forget to head on over to Really Jess and check out her channel and check out her video on 4 neglected areas in her home. And we will see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.